If you feel that your life needs improvement and you want to adopt simple habits that help you feel satisfied and successful, we are here to present you with 10 daily habits that you can easily apply to significantly enhance your life. First, waking up early is a fundamental habit. It gives you a positive start to the day and allows you time to plan and engage in beneficial activities. Practice daily exercise, as it positively impacts your mental and physical health. You can easily incorporate exercise into your daily schedule by doing simple activities like walking or home workouts. Eat a healthy breakfast to boost your energy throughout the day. Choose balanced and easy-to-prepare meals, such as those containing protein and fiber. Organization and planning for the day help increase productivity and reduce stress. Use tools and apps that assist you in organizing your daily schedule and tasks that need to be accomplished. Meditation or prayer helps calm the mind and strengthen the spirit. Try to allocate daily time for this practice to feel inner peace. Reading books or listening to podcasts broadens your horizons and feeds your mind with new information and knowledge. Look for motivational books and podcasts and add them to your daily routine. Setting aside time for family and friends is important for achieving balance and happiness. Strengthen your social relationships in simple ways, such as dedicating time for calls or meetups. Maintaining the order and cleanliness of your personal space positively affects your mental state. Make it a part of your daily routine to tidy up your home or workspace to keep an organized environment. Gratitude and journaling help achieve self-awareness and a sense of satisfaction. Write down your thoughts and feelings daily to feel grateful for everything you have. Good sleep is essential for having a productive and energetic day. Follow tips to improve your sleep quality, such as creating a quiet and dark environment. In conclusion, by adopting these daily habits, you will notice positive changes in your life. Start today by applying at least one habit and notice how your day becomes better and more organized. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on improving life.